flag in the air. We're A-Main racing McDougal with a big slider. Oh, McKinney more worried about his number plate. McKinney loses the number plate, grabs it, throws it, and stays on the racetrack. McDougal up top. Jones gonna slide to the middle. Here comes Sunshine Tyler Courtney now. Courtney with a big slider now. Boyles to P2. But a big run on the bottom. No, Chase Jones not gonna get there. Oh, half sliders, half spins. Jones with a big slider. Here comes Sunshine again. McDougal, meanwhile, checking out up front, just running the top. Chase Jones trying to get that big momentum. Oh, Chase Jones with a big run there. McDougal long gone, though. McDougal checked out on this one. Sponsored by a group of guys. Say a simple saying, tops up here, bud. So McDougal's hot rod working. Now Kevin Thomas Jr. going to the top. Tyler Courtney, though, he just went purple. An 8.307, he's a tenth of a second faster than your leader McDougal, but he's got 1.4 seconds to run it back. Chase Jones hard off the top shelf. That's a ripper Magoo there by Chase Jones. Boyles now back to the bottom. Tyler Courtney running down your leader, Jason McDougal. And it's all happening in turns 3 and 4. Sunshine has got it dialed in over there. Courtney 2/10 quicker last time by. McKinney on the struggle bus, though. McKinney better look out. He might be getting lapped soon. Here is a race for the lead. Tyler Courtney now. Oh, McDougal's gonna get the point. So McDougal grabs the stage win and the championship point. Courtney. McDougal, green flag in the air. McDougal with a big jump. McDougal bounces off the top. He's still your leader. Living and dying on the top. Jason McDougal here tonight. Running it. He's giving them all the space they need. They just can't get to him. But here comes Sunshine. Sunshine might have slowed. Oh, we got a big pileup. It looks like a Walmart parking lot back there. That was KTJ, Clint Boyles, and Mike McKinney. Meanwhile, Chase Jones now your leader. So Chase Jones out in front now. McDougal second, Tyler Courtney third. Then it'll be Kevin Thomas Jr., Clinton Boyles, and Mike McKinney. Everybody kind of spread out here. We're going to watch the lap times. 8.3 for your leader, 8.3 for second, 8.1, no, 7.9 rather. It just happened so fast it's hard to see it. Top three cover him with a blanket. Last time by. Jones, McDougal, Sunshine, 3 wide off of 2. McDougal throws in the heater here on Jones. He's going to get past them. Sunshine, ho-ho! What a deal, Sunshine Tyler Courtney. Green flag in the air. McDougal sliding up the bottom, he gets him clear. Coming through the middle, Boyles with a big run. 3 wide, here comes Tyler Courtney. Jones on top, he's gonna not give up yet. Boyles on the bottom of McDougal now. Boyles trying to get McDougal. Oh, KT and McKinney. Red flag, red, red, red. Put it out. Inching up closer. Green flag in the air. McDougal with a big run. McDougal making the top work still. Ooh, tank slapper there on the exit of 4. Boyles, though, starting to roll the bottom. Bottom starting to come in. Stage points up for grabs. Clinton Boyles, your leader off of turn number 2. Coming to the checkered. Clinton Boyles gets it home. McKinney just ate the wall. Well, that's okay, folks, because here we go. Green, green, green. Boyles, Jones. Boyles gets a run. Jones back underneath him. Crossover from Jones with the 17. Stop and steering the thing. McKinney back to 6th again. Boyles has been so close so far this season, just hasn't made it happen. McDougal all over Boyles. Chase Jones, though, he didn't make the main on week number 1, missed week number 2. He's looking to stamp it here. Week number 3. Sunshine stuck in the 4th spot. Kevin Thomas Jr. 5th. McDougal in 6th. McDougal did go purple, though. He's now set the fastest lap of the race as the track's starting to hook up. Juiced up now. But Chase Jones, 1.3 second advantage. About a 1/10 of a second quicker in the field. Halfway through the final stage. Chase Jones, your leader. What a show here so far. McDougal's got only one hand on the wheel. Sorry, McKinney, one hand on the wheel. The laps continue to wind down here. Chase Jones. That lap, Clinton Boyles equal lap time. McKinney shows his frustration, one hand on the wheel. Like he's driving his modified. Getting out of the way for your leader, Chase Jones. Boyles doing everything he can to catch back up to him. McDougal trying to get back to Boyles. Kevin Thomas Jr. in the 4th spot. Tyler Courtney in 5th. White flag in the air for Chase Jones in the 17. Boyles in 2nd, McDougal in 3rd. KT with a big run on McDougal on the final lap. No, Chase Jones wins it.
All right, guys, we'll grab a word here with your winner, Chase Jones. Chase, you go from not making a feature here the last 2 weeks, and you finally made one tonight, and you were able to come away with the win. Got to be pretty exciting for you.
Yeah, it was pretty cool to be able to come from the C and then advance to the B and then finish it off with a win. That's pretty awesome. You can't ask for much better than that. Thanks everybody at the TNT crew. It was an awesome night, and I'm looking forward to week 4.
Let's hear it for your winner, Chase Jones. We'll talk to your 2nd place runner here, Clinton Boyles. Clinton, it's always unpredictable here from the back to the front. I believe you grabbed a stage 2 win. Just kind of take us through your night here and the always unpredictable main event.
Yeah, it didn't start very good. We changed the engine after the heat race and got a lot better there for the qualifier, and we're pretty good in the feature. We just missed the setup a little bit, and Chase was better than we were. So we'll go back, study video, study our notes, and come back and try again harder next week.
All right, let's hear it for 2nd place runner, Clinton Boyles. Should I just give Jason the microphone because he always says what he wants to?
I had a great run tonight. The car was pretty good, the first set and the 2nd set and the 3rd set. Track was good, better than the past 2 weeks. It was actually pretty racy. Not too bad. What were your thoughts on the race?
It was entertaining.
What was your favorite moment about the 50 laps?
The fact that Chase Jones won from the C main.
Thank you. Good run.
Thank you, buddy.
Thank you, Wheeler.
Thank you.